Welcome back to Zubee's Organic Kitchen, where we share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. I am so glad that you're here. Keep watching. Welcome back. So in today's episode, I am going to be showing you how I make my number 3 green smoothie for my weight loss challenge, which I call Fat Release Challenge. Okay, so this smoothie I call Green Glow. I have about 2 handfuls of kale and spinach mixed up. You can just use kale, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then I have about a handful of parsley here. I have about 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 apple, 1 cucumber, and then 6 pitted dates. Okay, I also have some sea moss, some pea protein, and organic MCT oil. Okay, all I'm going to do is dump them into a blender and blend them with about 2 cups of water. All right, let's get to it. I could blend my greens a little bit and then add the rest of the ingredients to it. Greens are really good for you. They cleanse, anyway. They're really good for your liver, they cleanse it. So as much greens as you can get in, that's what you want. I love parsley. I like the smell of parsley. Alright, let's blend this a little bit and then add the rest of the ingredients. Alright. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. It looks like my smoothie is looking good. So next thing I'm going to add my protein powder and then my sea moss powder. These all have tons of minerals, and we all know protein is the building block of your body, so you need some in there to get you going. We're going to mix it a little bit more. Look at this beautiful green. Okay, so my green smoothie is all good to go. You will love to smell this. This smells so amazing. Parsley and all this awesome. I like to add about, a teaspoon or half teaspoon of MCT oil. Okay, this gives me all the fat, the healthy fat that I need in order to keep me going during my program. Tastes amazing, okay? How are you not going to glow with this kind of smoothie? You're going to see your skin, you're just going to glow, I'm telling you. So you need to try this, all right? So there you have it. Like I always say, you have only one body. Take care of it, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to come back and do my 4th smoothie, green smoothie for you to see, all right? Until I see you, stay safe, stay happy, and be blessed. Have a great day.